This is Charlottetown at midnight. Hammering rain. I feel like a submarine captain. We've got another plan. We're looking at the satellite radar maps off the Rogers cell phone, and it's telling us that it's not raining 20 kilometers outside of town. So we're driving 20 kilometers outside of town because this cloud has been sitting on top of us for the last 2 hours, just pouring. If the runners go out in this, they're going to get hypothermic, and you know, could be the end of the run. So got to avoid that at all costs.